Hello everyone, this is Rishabh and presenting the project on behalf of Nalanda Abhiyan Labs. So here we are presenting a project on water irrigation system. It is a small demo project. You can expand it as per your need. So this is the water tank from which we are taking water, and this is the pot where water is actually putting. Okay, so here is a small sensor. You can look here. This is a moisture sensor which will sense the moisture value of soil. We embedded this moisture sensor into the soil. This is Arduino, which is the hard part of the whole OS system. This is a microcontroller which will take the value, input data from the soil sensor, and it will trigger on the relay. Okay, this is the DC water pump, and what is actually water pump is doing, it is actually pumping the water from the source to the pot. Okay, so here we provide a trigger. As you can see, one switch is for microcontroller and another is for water pump. Okay, so here there are two sources we apply. First is this, which is goes to Arduino input pot, voltage pot, and second the battery over here for triggering on the water pump. So what is going on here in project? Actually, when the moisture of soil is triggered or sensed by the moisture sensor is less in certain value which we have been coded is detected, then it will send the signal to microcontroller, and microcontroller ultimately trigger on the relay, which will be responsible for pumping the water. So whenever there is a less moisture contained and the plant need water, the trigger will be ultimately on and water will be provided to the plant. Okay, so for demonstration we actually set the value in such a way that the water entering in the pot will activate, means the switch activation is quite fast. Okay, so the user can actually adjust the whole system according to his need. So here's a small demonstration going on. So here the trigger is on, and I am going to on the switch. So Arduino switch is on ultimately. When I will be going to turn on this switch, the sensor, as you can see, it is not that quite is dry. So when I on the switch, the pump will be turned on and water will be provided to the pot. So you can see this is ultimately on, and you can see the water is going here, and as the water is here, the system is turned off and turn on according to the moisture sensor. You can see here the motor is stopped as water level is quite increased and moisture content is quite greater. And when the moisture content is ultimately means vanish out, the trigger will be on again and water will be supplied by pump. So as I remove this, you can see water pump is start, and as I embed it in water, it will get switch off. Okay, so that is the little demonstration of this project. Thank you. Do like this channel, subscribe and share.